Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at assigning materials, just a basic colored materials. And in 3D in general, we don't usually refer to color as color, we call it colored materials or assigning a material. So here we go. I have a sphere on a plane here. I'm going to click on the plane, just making sure that I'm in object mode, and I'm going to hold down right click and go to assign new material. So this year we're going to be working with only Arnold lights and renderer, so we need to be working with the Arnold textures as well. I'm going to go to the word Arnold here. We have a long list. This will sift down to just Arnold type textures. We're going to be using the AI standard surface texture right here. So I'm going to click on that. And on the right, you'll see that this will appear. This is our attributes that says here this tab standard surface 1. Now you might have scenes where you have 20 textures and you'll see them all listed along this row. This tab has to do with this texture, and you could name this texture if you know that this could be called sphere or something that would tell you what it is later on if we have a lot of textures. Okay, so I'm going to go to the color here. There's a little box. I just click inside and I can choose a different color. You can mix your own. You can use the color wheel here or these slider bars. So that is how to add a color. If I just duplicate this, that's Command D. If I change this texture on this one, notice that it will change the other one as well. So if you want another shape to have a different texture, a different color texture, you do need to make sure that you assign a brand new material. So that's holding down right click, assign new material, Arnold, and standard surface. And you can see now I can do that. One other thing of note, we are looking at this texture. If I Arnold render, you can see that these are very glossy textures. So in Arnold, the Arnold standard surface texture, the way it defaults is it's very shiny. So we can change that, and there's a few things you can do. Let me select on one of these spheres here, and we can watch this update. I'm going to click on the standard surface tab, and over here there's a specular, which has to do with shine. So the weight is a 1. If I slide this down to 0, you could see the difference. It's more of a matte textured ball, but if I bring this up again, it's more shiny. So there's also some other things here. There's roughness. You can make it a little bit rougher, and there's some other things that they can make it look more metallic as well that you're welcome to. So this would be a chrome ball right here. So we'll get to other textures and chrome textures soon. So there's not really much more to talk about. This is how to make a colored material and how to either make it shiny or dull. Stay tuned for my next videos on more advanced texturing. Okay, good luck and give it a try.